Hello, we're going to go ahead and get started with our tall wedding centerpiece, and I am using this pole from a Walmart lamp. So this is a floral lamp from Walmart that you can get for about $7, and then we're going to be using our floral foam that we picked up from the Dollar Tree, and these are just the blocks that they have at the Dollar Tree. You can get each block for $1. So what I'm doing with the first block is I'm just placing it over the pole here, and I'm pressing firmly, doing a little twisting and manipulating to get that first one on. And we're going to take that one all the way to the bottom and take out this little piece that we have at the top here. And then we're going to take another one and we're going to place that on top, pushing down firmly. Give it a little twist and a little twirl. We're gonna go all the way on, but we're gonna take this one not all the way to the bottom, but right in the center there. So I'm just eyeballing it to find the center. We're gonna place that right in the center. And then I'll take the third foam block, and that one is going to go at the top. This one is so simple and easy, and I think it's going to be absolutely gorgeous once it's completed. And you can use this centerpiece for any event to give it a little glam and a little pop. So now I'm just going to use my glue gun and kind of put some glue around the top of the floral foam, the one that's located at the bottom, to kind of keep it in place. And then I'll do the same with the middle and the top. So placing some at the bottom of the top floral foam to kind of keep it from slipping. And then I'll do the same with the middle. Now you really don't have to do this with this because it's staying in place as it is, but when you're at an event you want to make sure that it's not going to be moving. And if you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Thank you so much for subscribing, all of those that are subscribers. Please tell your friends and family. And now we're just placing our flowers, and there's no real rhyme or reason to this. If you've seen any floral designers here on YouTube, you can go and check them out, or you can look at some of my old videos to see how I place the flowers. Again, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to see new upcoming DIY videos. And don't forget to tell your friends and family. And guys, if you haven't had a chance, go and see my announcement video letting you guys know what will be going on with my channel from here on out. I'm doing some restructuring, some revamping, and you're going to see some different kind of videos on this channel. And I will give you information for the newest channel that I will be opening as far as YouTube is concerned, so that you can see some of those videos as well, and you can like and follow and share over there as well. And again, there's no rhyme and reason to putting the flowers in. And we're just going to place our flowers how we would like, and to kind of round it out if you would like to, instead of having it looking like a square. You want to place some flowers on those corners to kind of, and pull them out a little bit to give it kind of a round effect. So it's just a little bit about manipulating and working with the flowers to make it look as round as you would like it to be. So now, as you see, I ran out of flowers, so I'm going to go ahead and cut some more just using my wire cutter. And you can pick these up at any craft store. I picked these flowers up at Michael's, I want to say. And always when you're looking for flowers, you want to look for discounts. So I know Michael's is always have a coupon for their florals. Hobby Lobby always has coupons as well. Always go when they're having a sale. Now you can make this as full as you would like. For video purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and place the flowers. If I were to do this for an event, it would be a whole lot fuller than this. But I think it's turning out pretty nicely. What do you think, guys? See, again, I'm just doing a little manipulating of the flowers so that I won't have that square look, and making it a little bit rounder. And if I were using this for an event, I would definitely make, if not the top two fuller, I would definitely make the bottom fuller, because you don't want anyone to see the base of the lampstand. So now what I'm doing is I'm cutting some floral wire so that I can place my crystal hanging gems. And I picked these up from Amazon, and I will leave that information in the description box below, so that you'll know. I like these because they have the links. They have others that don't have the links, but if you get the ones that have the links, you can do a lot more with them. So all I'm doing is just taking my floral wire, passing it through the link, and making kind of a hook to hook it into my floral foam. And again, for the purposes of this video, I'm not doing any specific placement of the crystals. I am just hanging them kind of so you guys can get the effect of what it would look like. You guys probably hear all the fireworks in the background. Yeah, that's been going on a lot. And there you go, gives you a little bit of an effect of how it would look with your hanging crystals. Then I'm just filling in some spots underneath. Just so you're not seeing the floral foam. Is when they're sitting on a table, you know, someone may be able to see under there, so you want to cover that up a little bit. And here it is, guys. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I think once it is filled in and made a little bit fuller, it will be absolutely gorgeous on a table, or it can even be used in an aisle as a pillar for a wedding. So I think this is absolutely gorgeous, and you guys can use any flowers that you like. I just love red. Red is my favorite color, and I love red roses. I think it brings out an event. So this is absolutely gorgeous. And now I have a special bonus for you guys. I'm going to make another centerpiece. And this is a round centerpiece using this round floral foam. The stand is an old stand that I had from, I think it was a jewelry stand, but I'm using that now. But you can also get the same stand by using maybe a floral foam base and a dowel rod. But what I'm doing with this is I've taken my floral foam piece and I placed my little hole where I needed it to go, and now I'm just taking my flowers and I'm going all around the floral foam, just filling that in. Very easy, very simple. just going all around the outer edge of the round floral foam with our flowers, and then we'll fill in the inside. Again, it's so simple. This is all you're doing, and you're just making sure that that is open. And there it is. And I also took one of our crystal gems and placed that in the middle, and it's kind of a hanging little piece there in the middle. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks absolutely gorgeous, and these two pieces together will be awesome in any event. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to see more upcoming DIY projects. Thank you again for all of my new subscribers and for all of those that have been hanging with me throughout this entire process. Keep looking out for new and upcoming projects. Love you guys. And as always, be royale, be classy, and be creative.